Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, a silk beige MB text interior, the burl walnut wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 2 package with blind spot assists, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 42,622 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.